been held in your hand from the moment that I wake up.
Nĩ mũrũri ũyũ nĩ aingĩ makĩria arĩa mendete nyĩmbo cia gũthathaiya Ngai na cia gwĩtwara mbere ya Ngai. Mũini ti ũngĩ ĩndĩ nĩ Cece Winans ũrĩa ũrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuma o bũrũri-inĩ wa America.
Praise is not an American thing. It's not a Kenya thing. It is a kingdom thing.
Akenya makĩgĩa na mweke wa gũcanjamũrwo ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe na kũgoca Ngai hamwe na mũini ũyũ ũrĩa ũrĩ ngumo nene ya nyĩmbo ici cia gũthathaiya Ngai.
It was very nice function. We've enjoyed and we thank the Lord. We prayed for our families and we thank God.
My highlight was probably the last song. It really touched my heart. Yeah.
It has been a blessing and a lovely day.
Your takeout from the event?
We should do this more often. Yeah.
Come. You're ready now?
Yes. Igongona rĩrĩ rĩrĩa rĩraharĩrĩirio ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na ceceni ya Royal Media rĩkĩgomithania makiri ma andũ o mũndũ akĩrahĩra gũkorwo igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ.
Let me tell you, the one thing that we have gotten from this event is the fact that Cece has talked about God and just how important our relationship with God is. But also the music was quality because the way you hear Cece on a CD is live is how you hear here on ground. So it's been a great experience being here.
I came at around 4:35 thereabouts. The experience has been great. Seeing Cece Winans perform live in Kenya for the first time. I'm a super fan and she actually performed the song that I was anticipating and I'm super grateful for it. Yeah.
Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why you have to market at Royal Media Services. This is not a secular concert. This is a gospel concert and it is fully packed. Thank you for making us #1.
Gerifo Tera Inoro TV, Getu wa Garimaria wa Muigana.
Yes, she did.